Welcome to The Secret Chef with me, Chef Gazpacho. This is the show where we teach you how to cook. Today we're gonna make the secret recipe that my mama used to make. Now to make this recipe, I need the finest ingredients. Only the best for Chef Gazpacho and his mama. Let's take a look at what we're gonna use. Those are gonna cook up so nice. I've got the ingredients all mixed up and ready to go. It's a cooking time. Oh, sole mio. Hey, Chef Gazpacho can sing. Ta-da! Ah, bellissimo. It turned out so nice. I'm gonna call Mama Gazpacho over and we're gonna have a nice dinner. Here is the recipe again. I hope you enjoy my little show. Remember, keep cooking.
The Secret Chef was brought to you by